In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out a text shape from an image in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to give your presentation a creative boost, this technique will allow you to elegantly combine text and imagery, creating a stunning visual effect that is bound to capture your audience's attention. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. Ensure you're comfortable with the version you're using, as this is key to achieving the desired outcome effortlessly. After you've launched the application, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you wish to enhance. Next, locate the specific slide that contains the image you want to work with. This is essential because the text shape will be cut out from this image, making it the canvas for our creative endeavor. Once you're on the correct slide, click on the Insert tab located at the top of the interface. This tab provides a gateway to all the elements you can add to your slide, from shapes to media. Now it's time to add a text box. Look for the text box icon. It typically resembles a piece of paper with lines on it, and click on it. Position the text box over the image where you intend to cut out the text shape. Choose a font style and size that aligns with your presentation's aesthetic. With the text box poised over your image, go ahead and type the desired text. Choose something impactful or relevant to your content, as this text will become the focal point of your design. It's important to make the text bold and clear so that it stands out when we cut it out from the image. Having added your text, shift your focus to the Shape Format tab at the top of your screen. This tab houses all the tools you need to fine-tune and format your shapes, including the text box you just created. Next, you'll need to select your image and text. Hold down the Ctrl key and click first on the image, then on the text box. This combination selection is crucial for the next step, as it enables you to merge the two elements effectively. With both elements selected, click on Merge Shapes, which you'll find within the Shape Format tab. Here, you'll be presented with a variety of options. Go ahead and choose Intersect. By choosing Intersect, you end up with a text-shaped hole where your words used to be, essentially cutting out your text silhouette from the image itself. And there you have it. This completes the transformation of your slide. You've successfully created an engaging and visually dynamic element for your presentation, utilizing just a few tools in PowerPoint. Experiment with different fonts, sizes, and images to discover endless creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has inspired you to elevate your next PowerPoint presentation.